Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Foreclosure Help 777, where we talk about everything foreclosure related. You can also join me on my Facebook page. It's also called Foreclosure Help 777. We're a private group and we talk about everything foreclosure related, helping each other out with our cases. As you know, I sued my bank back in the day, and people come to me and asking me for my help. I'm not an attorney. I can't give out legal advice, guys, but I can go over cases and explain my opinions on these cases. So hopefully some of this you guys can understand, and maybe it'll even help you with your situation. Today we're going to talk about Carrington's case, and his is in New York. You'll have to go to the website. Now in this case, the older side of New York is, the website is right here, iapps.courts.state.ny.us, just like this. And you put in his case number, which is 11234-2009, Wells Fargo versus William Carrington. And you can see that it was filed on 5/7/09. Let's look at the summons and complaint, which is the first item here, guys. This is what we're looking at today. The summons and complaint that was filed back in the day. And we're going to look at some defective assignments of mortgage. Now, if you look here, he signed a consolidated adjustable rate promissory note on February 1st, 2007. And you can see for the amount of this note is $686,700. Okay, and we know that there are 3 different promissory notes floating around here, but we're not going to talk about that particular issue. We're going to talk about the assignment. So let's go to page 71 of 76, which is almost at the very bottom. 71 of 76. Assignment of mortgage. Now this is what they're trying to use to foreclose, guys. This is the only standing they have because there's nothing on the promissory note that gives them the mortgage. So this is the defective assignment of mortgage. You want to look right here where it has the amount, $686,700 right there. And if you back up a little bit, it'll tell you that this amount was secured by this promissory note, and it's saying the date is December 15th, 2005. What? Well, we know that that's the incorrect date. The date is February 1st, 2007. And so they have the wrong date on here for this. Just thought I'd let you know this. This is one defect in the assignment of mortgage. There are other defects that you can also look at. Another defect is that the closing date for the trust that this loan is supposed to be in, this 2007 OPT1 trust, Soundview, I know for a fact that it has a closing date of 2007. Well, this assignment of mortgage was recorded on the 28th day of April in 2008, which is after the closing date of the trust. And here they're trying to say effective as of November 5th, 2007. Well, they can't really do a backdated assignment like that. That's wrong. That's another defect. Another thing we need to look at here is the vice president of Option 1 Mortgage Corporation is someone you cannot read, right? It's been whited out, it looks like. Well, I can tell you who that is. It's a known robo-signer named Christina Allen, just in case you're wondering what it really is. Another thing interesting is that this assignment of mortgage, you know, you got to wonder, it's in New York, yet they notarized it in Minnesota. You wonder how could something, be witnessed and notarized in a completely different state. Now we know that people that asked for this is the law firm Fine Such and Crane, which you know that they are foreclosure mill. And this is what they do. They like to file fabricated assignments. Well, this one is definitely have a lot of problems, and it cannot be used to foreclose. So if you guys are looking at things in order to write your complaints for foreclosure, you know, if you're not writing a complaint for foreclosure, you're either filing an answer to a foreclosure, and you can bring up these defects in the chain of title, or you're going to write your own complaint and you're going to go over these defects in your chain of title as part of your complaint itself, saying that this party put clouds on my title, I can't sell my house without these clouds and liens, etc. So I just thought you guys would want to look at this, because this is kind of important to know what to go over if you guys are fighting your foreclosure. Always look at your assignments of mortgage for defects, and look at your promissory note as it looks today. You can also send a QWR letter to your mortgage company asking them to give you this information. You want a copy of the promissory note, you want to get a complete payment history from them, and you want to get any assignments of mortgage. And you can request that via QWR, send it certified mail to the address that your servicer has for just that, just for qualified written request, and just send it certified mail. That way you can actually document the date you sent it and the date they received it. And by law, they have to answer you within a certain amount of time. And if they fail to, well, then you can go after them in court for failing to answer. So that's another thing you need to remember to do too, guys. Well, I hope this has been informative, guys. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. If you have any assignments of mortgage that you want me to look at, you can always send me an email to foreclosurehelp777@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Any help that you guys give me by subscribing, I will give it back to you by giving you more videos that I think you can use. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.